Americans stayed riveted to news channels on September 16th.
A shooting free-for-all that began even before the suspect, wearing black with a tall military bearing, marched his way into the Navy Yard.
Multiple shots fired, multiple people down.
A gunman shot and killed 12 people at the Navy Yard in Washington before he was shot and killed. Mass shootings in the U.S. happen so frequently, they are no longer unimaginable. President Obama lamented this latest one.
We are confronting yet another mass shooting, and today it happened on a military installation in our nation's capital.
An organization of U.S. mayors reports there have been more than 50 mass shootings in the past 4 years. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, killers used guns to murder 11,000 people in 2010 in the U.S., the latest year for which statistics are available. 20,000 others used guns to commit suicides that year, and another 73,000 people were rushed to hospital emergency rooms for gunshot wounds. Dr. Dariush Mozaffarian from the Harvard School of Public Health says the problem is partly due to gun violence displayed in the media. Dr. Mozaffarian spoke via Skype.
We have a culture that really glorifies gun violence to a level and a depth and an intensity that's actually never been in place before in the United States.
He supports laws to reduce gun violence.
We can make guns safer by having automatic security locks so only the owners can use them. We could pass policies that require certain gun storage safety, the same way we require kids to sit in child seats to make cars safer. We could require that guns should be stored in locked, safe cabinets so kids can't reach them.
President Obama is again calling on lawmakers to act on gun control. Legislation didn't make it through Congress following the mass shooting of 20 school children and 6 adults last December in Newtown, Connecticut. Research shows that many Americans agree that something has to be done. From Johns Hopkins School of Public Health, Colleen Barry spoke to VOA via Skype.
Our study showed that there was broad support among gun owners and non-gun owners alike for a spectrum of different types of policies aimed at restricting gun ownership from potentially dangerous people.
The CDC reports that initiatives to reduce gun-related violence can draw upon growing research about behavior and environmental factors associated with this type of violence. Carol Pearson, VOA News.